Hi guys, how are you all? You remember I posted a video prior to this regarding the passport issue, wherein they asked me to change to temp address. So 17th was my appointment again. I visited the passport office. I gave all the documents to them. Now when I come to the counter, they said that your gas bill is on your husband's name. I gave them the marriage certificate. No. Go to the next counter, ask the officer if he agrees, okay. If not, then see what you can do. My owner, he doesn't agree for the rent agreement because we stay in the same building just to save on his whatever tax, something. He is not willing to give us a rent agreement. Okay, next is what is on your name? I said Wi-Fi bill. Wi-Fi bill shows my name, the address, everything. Go to C section. Maybe he will listen. Okay, gone to the C section area. Now he says that ma'am आपके नाम पे Wi-Fi bill है. So get go to the Wi-Fi whatever आपका सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है वहाँ आप जाइए, वहाँ से बिल लीजिए, उसके ऊपर स्टैम्प लगवाइए. Okay. From Baner, that is in Pune. From Baner, I had to go to another place called Deccan. Deccan में हाथवे का office है. I'm a heart patient, climbing up fourth floor. I went, asked them to put the stamp. They said, "Ma'am, ये online bill होता है, इस पे digitally signed है. We don't give you stamps on such things. Whatever stamps are not there. Like we don't do it." वेरी गुड. आप जाइए पासपोर्ट ऑफिस में दिखाइए, उनको बोलिए कि ये डिजिटली साइंड है, हम स्टैम्प नहीं देंगे. आई वेंट बैक टू बानेर बिकॉज दैट APO हैड गिवन मी टाइम टिल 4 o'clock कि आप लेके आइए डॉक्यूमेंट. उसके बाद फिर मैं वापस बानेर ऑफिस गई हूँ, वापस उस APO की मिन्नत की कि भाई अब ये डिजिटली साइंड होता है, इसके ऊपर स्टैम्प नहीं लगता है. दिस इज़ व्हाट द service provider has told me. Not acceptable, ma'am. This is not accepted. I asked him, I said, what is the alternative now? What do I do? आप अपना पासबुक पे, बैंक के पासबुक पे आप अपना एड्रेस अपडेट कीजिए. So now he has given me time till Monday, that is 20th. Today I went to my bank, State Bank. I went there. I met the chief, who's the chief branch manager, whatever. I went there, explained him the situation. He said, "Ma'am, हम ऐसे नहीं update कर सकते, ये वो blah blah blah." He had all his reasons. देन फाइनली ही टोल्ड मी, मैम आप एक काम कीजिए, आप उड़ाई की वेबसाइट पे जाइए, वहाँ पे आप अपना एड्रेस अपडेट कीजिए विद द हेल्प ऑफ द डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट यू हैव. Finally, I went to Odai site and I uploaded my Wi-Fi bill, gas bill, whatever documents I had. I have updated that. Now it shows over there he has corrected or updated address as the temporary one, and then it gives me an update ki this will be verified and then it will get changed on my Aadhaar. So once that document, I have to go back to the bank on Monday with the help of that document. If they are able to change on my passbook, then again I have to go to passport office and show them that this is the proof that I have now. Guys, this is such a big hassle. It's a torture. I don't have words to express. But with all these procedure, I've just learned that being Indian citizens, we do not hold any value of any. Aadhaar card doesn't hold any value, our passport doesn't hold any value. We as citizens, we don't have anything what is called as a national identity, and nothing. I mean, you have to prove yourself being a human, being the person what you are, your identity, what is your name, what do you have on your name. Even if it's on your husband's name, give the marriage certificate, still that's not valid. Then what is valid for you guys? What is valid? Nothing at all. Our Indian government, I don't have any comments, I don't have any words, neither I want to speak anything publicly, but it's just a torture from the Indian government. Absolute torture.